Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke, and what we have here is a 1970 Oldsmobile 442 Coupe. Now, look at this color. This is the Aegean Aqua, and it is somewhat of a rare color. Now, you may think it is a special order color, but it's actually not. It was one of 4 extra cost colors that you could order from the factory, and that is what the previous owners chose to order it in to honor his lifetime of service in the Navy. So for this one, under the hood lies a matching numbers Oldsmobile L31, and it's equipped with the 4-barrel carburetor, and it's paired with an M21 close ratio 4-speed manual transmission featuring, of course, the Hurst shifter, and it even comes with the added option of a G80 posi traction differential with the gear ratio of 342. All right, so looking at the hood here, I mean, this is one of my favorite things about this car. It's the W25 hood. It looks amazing. And can you imagine just sitting in the driver's seat, looking out the windshield and seeing that bulge just come out? I mean, you're gonna feel really cool driving something like this. And it comes equipped with power steering, power disc brakes, and all the drivetrain numbers match, so they are original to this vehicle. And as we come down the line just a little bit to look at these tires, look how they match that color to the Aegean Aqua. I think it was a fantastic choice, and it looks just so clean. All right, so taking a look inside this thing, we kind of got a black color scheme going on with a little bit of that wood grain on the panels down there. And we have black Strato bucket seats. And if you look at the gauges over here, those are our rally gauges, and it looks super clean. You got the deluxe radio, you've got the rear defrost, like I said, you got the power steering. This thing has a ton of options, and I really love these door panels here. Okay guys, as we look towards the rear of the vehicle, I've always loved how the Oldsmobile slants to the back into the bumper down here with the chrome and the badging over there. It looks really fantastic and so sleek looking. But what also makes this vehicle cool is it comes with an array of documentation, and that includes the build sheet, and that also includes dealer service records dating back to September of 1970. So a really cool car. We had to bring it to you guys.